The probability of Edward Boama being the biological father of baby Kofi is greater than 99.9999%.
Is greater than
99.9999%. The probability of Edward Boama being the biological father of baby Kofi is greater than 99.999%. Therefore, it is practically proven that Edward Boama is the biological father of baby Kofi.
Jesus Christ! I didn't remember. Wow. I was saying, "Go Mrs.
So the cracker and say, "A branch of friend Edward Boama, baby Kofi papa."
I don't know. Na sawoti kokoya na tse
asemaba hey why you vindicated in fact na me nyuni me catch us na me jiwudi anamboa na me nyuni we dey waka no kra Kenneth what's the DNA no. What's a resource? No, bra wanim.
It's a.
What's a resource? No.
It's a.
And I know some more young doctor church muma what you say. Okay. And to say DNA resource aba 99.99999%. Just say akoda baby Kofi eya wodia.